Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Infiniti Q50 Bluetooth. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to pair your mobile device, enabling hands-free calls and seamless audio streaming. You'll learn to manage your connected devices, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. We will cover everything from initial setup to daily use, making sure you get the most out of your vehicle's features. To begin, make sure Bluetooth is active on your mobile phone. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on your Infiniti Q50's infotainment screen. From there, select the Bluetooth option and choose Add New Device. Your Q50 will then search for available devices. Once your phone appears, select it and confirm the pairing code displayed on both your phone and the car's screen to complete the connection. Once paired, you can effortlessly make and receive calls using the steering wheel controls, keeping your hands safely on the wheel. To stream music, simply select Bluetooth Audio as your source on the infotainment system. You can then control playback and adjust the volume using your car's audio controls. Enjoy your favorite tunes and crystal-clear conversations, all wirelessly connected. Your Infiniti Q50 allows you to manage multiple Bluetooth devices. You can view a list of all previously paired phones in the Bluetooth settings. If you wish to remove an old device, simply select it and choose the Delete option. You can also easily switch between connected devices or set a preferred device to connect automatically when you enter the vehicle, ensuring seamless integration every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.